called that one, honey?
Dobbins Landing.
Domin's Landing. So that's a Domin's Landing in Erie, Pennsylvania. So that's the lake behind on it, and then over there that's the Bayfront connector, Bayfront Convention Center. So there's a lot of work road over here. That one. So when you come to Erie, Pennsylvania, this is what you're gonna see. So it's a good play. It's a good weather today. Then that one. Look at that. So it's so nice to see that. So that's the bus, the big one. That's the bus. Where's the bus over here? Yeah, it's going over there. So we are there's a lot of good place in here, but as of now it's traffic. We are close